We are here with the 2014 to 2019 Toyota 4Runner Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company in Raleigh, North Carolina. We are so excited to announce this brand new version of our system here today. You can see what a game-changing difference it makes in the look and feel of the vehicle. We've been selling this product with the same external appearance for a few years, but we have just completely redesigned the electronics from the ground up to be competitive with the newest vehicles on the market. It's going to have a Qualcomm 8-core processor. It's very powerful, as well as 8 gigabytes of internal RAM and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. You can see that shifting to reverse will bring up the backup camera. Going back to park or drive brings you right back into Android Auto. Of course, your steering wheel controls will continue to work for the volume. Because we use the factory microphone, the Google Voice Assistant can hear you without issue, and phone calls and text messages sound amazing. How's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Currently in Raleigh, it's 92 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 93 and a low of 76.
Coming out of Android Auto, we can click Exit to go to the underlying Hamilton operating system. This would show you your music playing in Android Auto. Here on this device, you can use the Hamilton SIM card slot to install a 4G SIM from T-Mobile or any other GSM carrier. And you can see that we've loaded Google Maps natively onto the device. That means if you got in the car without your phone, say, you could access all of the features that you might use on your phone, like Spotify or Google Maps, if you had that SIM card installed. We show you in the installation video where that SIM card goes. Your radio stations will appear right here on the home screen. This is the button here to change your active widget. We have different options: Google Maps, YouTube, Spotify, or Google Chrome. More will come in the future. Here in the apps drawer, any app that has a Google Play Store component can be loaded directly onto this device. That makes this device more powerful than even the newest vehicles, as it has features that are available outside CarPlay and Android Auto. This OTA upgrade will be available from Hamilton Motor Company. We have some of the top engineers in the world that work on our CAN bus and vehicle software development team. We will continue to update this system to keep it competitive with the newest vehicles. You can see how clean this system is. It functions like a brand new car. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company in Raleigh, North Carolina. We back this system by a 3-year warranty. We call it the Hamilton Guarantee. All details are available on our website, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. We sell this unit for 4Runners starting in 2009 all the way through 2019. It's backed by our top-of-the-line warranty and lifetime premium tech support. You can call us at 919-858-2890, and you can talk to me or one of my team members. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll see you in the next video.